Hello everyone and welcome to Be Happy Cooking. Today we're going to be making oven-baked chicken wings. Today my son is joining me on this episode and we're going to be making this together. First we're going to get a nice large Ziploc bag and we're going to start adding our cumin. We're only going to be using half of the cumin and put it in the Ziploc bag. We're taking half of the garlic powder, and also half of the paprika, and half of the chili powder. Half of the salt, we're adding half of the brown sugar, half of the chives, and half of the baking powder, and some crushed black pepper. Now we're going to seal the Ziploc bag and shake it all up until it's all mixed well. And then now we're going to take the other half of the ingredients and put that in a second Ziploc bag. And we're going to repeat. Shake, shake, shake. This is the best part. Now we're going to take half of the chicken and we're going to place it inside the Ziploc bag. The other half of the chicken is going to go in the second bag. Zip it all up and we're going to shake, 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 and we're going to make sure all those ingredients are massaged nicely into our chicken. Now I'm going to put that chicken all together and we're going to give it a nice massage once again, making sure all the ingredients are on our chicken. Now that chicken is ready, we're going to get our trays and racks ready to go. We're going to place some parchment paper at the bottom of the trays, and we're going to use this rack right here, and we're going to be placing our chicken right on top of that. That's going to give us a nice crispy skin to our chicken. Now my son is going to help me here. He's going to be placing the chicken nicely on top of that rack. He's going to be making rows of 3 and making sure they're all spaced. We want to have a space in between, making sure that airflow is going throughout all the chicken, making sure our skin gets nice and crispy. So there he is, doing such a great job. And there we go. Now, oven time. We're going to be baking our chicken for about 50 to 55 minutes. We're going to be checking periodically about every 20 minutes, turning our chicken over. The last 5 minutes of cooking time, we're going to set it on broil for about 5 minutes until that skin is nice and crispy. I think you'll really enjoy this recipe. It's very easy to make with your kids. My son definitely enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy it as well. Let me know what you think. And for a nice garnish, we're going to be adding some chopped cilantro right here, finely chopped, and we're going to add that on top of our delicious chicken wings. Enjoy!